What's up, guys? This is Alan, and today I have a tree, a Pakistan mulberry, that is dying. Something weird is going on. I have killed thousands of trees over the years, and I can tell you, not once have I seen a tree like this before. I'm gonna explain it to you what's going on. Okay, so check this out. So it's September, the leaves are falling off. This is not normal for any mulberry tree to do right now at this time of the year. Yes, these trees are deciduous, meaning they go dormant in the winter time, but it's hot right now. Now, one thing that I've noticed immediately is if you look at the leaves, they don't look normal. They have this brownish color on them. I have never seen these on any of my trees ever. Now, browning on the edges of the leaves is called transpiration burn. But this is not it, because if you can see, you see the lines going down the middle of the leaf, and it's going throughout the entire tree. So this is not normal. And when you actually know trees and you spend time with trees every single day, you tend to know what's normal and what's not normal. So as soon as I saw it, I knew immediately something was going on. So let me show you what's actually going on. So you see this right here, this is a water softener. Now this had a leak, and it's been leaking in this area for months and months. So this is salty water. Salt and plants do not mix. Salt will kill your plants. So this is what's going on. Now these trees are super vigorous. They will outgrow anything you can do. But if it's constantly being wet with salty water, there's so much that the tree can do to, well, stay alive. And that's what's going on right now. So if you have a tree that's looking weird, and if you're not sure if it's weird or not, well, you can contact me, you can email me, you can text me. I can tell you if it's normal or not, if it's for a tree that I'm familiar with or not. This is not a nutrient deficiency, so don't even think about that, okay? But yeah, so fixing the problem right now, getting the water softener out, and this is going to fix the problem. Now, how long is it going to take for this tree to actually get better? Well, for one, this entire area needs to be cleaned, scraped off. We don't want any salt sitting on the soil and further damaging the root system of this plant. So once everything's scraped off, this area needs to get soaked, like flooded several times for the next few weeks, just to rinse off all that salt content in the soil. Now this tree right here, hopefully it should be fine, I think, but it will take at least 6 months to a year to actually recover. So, but thankfully, I think we caught it in time. Yeah, we'll see what happens in the future.